Do you prefer your martinis to be shaken or stirred? It's the Romeo. Alfa Romeo 155 V6 kit from Tamiya. Let's get to it. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're looking at the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti with the Martini livery kit from Tamiya for the DTM series. Now this kit was reissued in between 2016 and 17 with some new decals. The tooling goes back to 1994 when it was initially released with the Alfa Romeo version. In the 95, the Jägermeister variation followed. And then this one followed suit in 1996. And then in 1997, the Bosch livery version was issued. Now this version and the Bosch kit are updated tooling wise. They have a new chassis parts in them, so they're a little bit different than the Alfa and the Jägermeister variations. And then all these kits got a reissue here in the last few years. The Jägermeister and the Alfa version got reissued in 2015. Like I said, this one got a reissue 2016, 2017 with some new decals. So with that, let's jump into it and let's check it out. Now we'll get started with the body. As you can see, it is a multi-piece body. The hood and front bumper are all separate pieces. And getting us started with the partially with the main chassis suspension roll cage parts tree here. We'll start with the main chassis piece. I guess also we can call this the engine parts tree since part of the engine pieces are on here as well. Now moving on to the next parts tree. And then one of the next parts tree will be brakes and looks like exhaust and some suspension bits and what have you, parts tree. Now we'll take a look at the clear parts tree. One of the other new pieces for this series of kits will be this rear under diffuser piece. Obviously that is cleared, I guess, to help show off some of the detail, or you can paint it, of course, if you want more accurate looking underside. And now we'll take a look at the tires, or what was in the tire bag. And first, a set of mesh screen to use for grills, the polycap bag, and of course the race slick tires. And now finally, we'll take a look at the decal sheet. This is going to be a cartograph printed decal sheet. And there are options to do the number 5 car or the number 6 car, so you have a choice. So that's going to do it for this look at the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti Martini kit from Tamiya. First, the reissue of the Martini version. I would do a what's in the box for the earlier versions of this kit, but unfortunately I built the Jägermeister one and I just recently sold the Alfa version, so no what's in the box. Wasn't even thinking I should have done a what's in the box before I sold it off. Live and learn. And the decal placement guide for card number 6. And card number 5. So on that note, thanks for watching. See you next time.